Today we're going to look at the Fourier series. The Fourier series is just a means to represent a periodic signal as an infinite sum of sine wave components. A periodic signal is just a signal that repeats its pattern at the same period. The primary reason that we use Fourier series is that we can better analyze a signal in another domain, rather than in its original domain. Sometimes a signal reveals itself more in another domain. In this equation, we will analyze the basic concept of the Fourier series. Let us assume that g sub p of t is a periodic signal with a time period of t sub naught. With the use of Fourier series, we can resolve the signal of g sub p of t into an infinite sum of sine and cosine terms. After the Fourier series expansion of g sub p of t, the form is of the following, and here's the equation. The terms a sub n and b sub n are the unknown amplitude of the cosine and sine terms. Basically, the Fourier series is used to represent a periodic signal in terms of cosine and sine waves.